Hello everyone, today we will make a code for monkey game using hand pose detection function in pictoblox using Python language. So we need two sprites, that is one apple and monkey. So here we can see this is the code for apple and this is the code for monkey. So let's run this code and check how it works. Here we can see when I start the game, the apple will fall from a random position, and when my hand is detected, then the monkey is moving according to my hand movement. And when the apple touches the monkey sprite, then the monkey is making sound. And let's try again. Like this, we can make code for monkey game using Python language in pictoblox. Thank you.